So how do tadpoles breathe babies when they're under the water? They use their gills. Yeah, we're going to talk about what happens when they grow up in 1 minute. 5-second warning.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, eyes on me. So, you had some great discussions about how tadpoles breathe when they're young. Brian, can you tell us how the sentence that tells us from this page how tadpoles breathe? Can you read the sentence that tells us how tadpoles breathe?
The young tadpoles look like little fish.
Does that sentence tell us how they breathe?
No.
What sentence tells us how they breathe? Yemi?
They have gills to help them breathe underwater.
They have gills. Does anyone know of another animal that has gills?
Fish.
What animal
Fish.
breathes underwater?
Fish.
Amelia. Fish have gills. They breathe underwater. Do we have gills?
No.
Can we breathe underwater?
No.
No. When we're swimming, we have to come up for air. So look, Betty, we're going to read this page together. Yes,
You
Santiago.
could hold your breath, but with goggles, yeah, and with covering your nose like that.
Yeah, but we still can't breathe when we're in the water. What happens if we breathe when we're underwater? Emily, what would happen? Water gets in your mouth and nose. We can't breathe that way.
And eyes.
Okay, eyes on this page as I read, because we are going to find out as tadpoles get older, something changes. Ready? Eyes up here. As the tadpole grows, its gills close up. These tadpoles must swim to the top to breathe air. So, remember when I said how when we go swimming and we're not breathing in the water, we come up for air. As tadpoles get older, they do that too. I'm going to read this page one more time. As the tadpole grows, its gills close up. That's what they were using to breathe when they were little. These tadpoles must swim to the top to breathe air. So we're not just going to read about this today, we're going to observe it. Wait a minute, observe is one of our important words. What does observe mean? Raise your hand if you remember what observe means. Daniel?
See.
I'm giving you a clue. Observe.
Looking at them when they grow.
To look at something. It could be something growing, but it could be observed. We could observe anything. I could be observing a worm. I could be observing, a dog's fur. I could be observing anything.
Wait, but what happens if you see animals growing for the rest of your life?
Well, you can observe things all around you. So, we're not going to just read about it today. We're going to observe our own tadpoles to see if they seem like they're coming up to do what?
Air.
What are they doing with air?
Breathing.
Breathing. Put your hands on your chest. Show me how you breathe. We breathe air because we don't have gills. We're going to observe. Put your hands above your eyes to help you remember the word observe. We're going to be observing our tadpoles to see if they are coming up to breathe air. And in your writing notebook, you're going to make a sketch, a diagram to show what you see, what you observe.
That gives you information.
Diagram that gives information. Give me a thumbs up if you know your job. I'm going to send us over now in groups of 2 to observe. Hi, Miss Engine.
The other day when you had me in here, I was in the supply closet.
We read it.
You did?
Yep, we read it. It's all part of
Is
our.
it not? I was like,
It's all part of our unit.
it's so cool.
I know. They did fantastic.
Do you
with that.
need a
We
couple
did.
copies?
No,
or
we're
you're
good. We already
oh.
read that one.
I was like, oh, this is so
I know. I
exciting.
love. It's an amazing story.
It is.
It's great.
These books are just sitting in there, so I'm gonna put them in mailboxes so teachers can start putting them in their
Good.
classroom libraries.
They're worthwhile.
Beautiful.
They're fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So, okay, I'm going to send you over 2 at a time to observe and find out if our tadpoles are coming up for air. Does everyone understand their job?
Yes.
Okay, good. So let me just stop our camera. Is
And
that
also the